the distribution of human species and the development of the man as we exist today. Okay, now the beginnings of human species as Homo sapien, it was probably from Central and Western Africa. The both reasons हैं why we say so, though there are debates also. The beginnings of the Homo sapiens, the beginnings of the man we are today were probably in parts of Central and Western Africa. Why? Because these areas had more of the savanna climate. These areas were more drier, they are more warmer. This idea is called as the savanna theory. It's called as the savanna theory of human species origin. The idea that when the trees are lesser, you climb down from the trees, you become the modern man. So the emergence of man is linked to the development of savanna climate. It's called as the savanna theory of a human species origin. और ये हुआ कहां पर था? Probably in parts of Central and Western Africa. So we have this Central Africa में, if you know this area called as Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria, uske around, talking about places like Uganda, places like Rwanda, places like Sudan. Okay, this is where the beginnings of human species starts. Lake Victoria, this and probably parts of West Africa. Just know this location. Yes, Kenya, correct. You also have, इसी के पास में आपका Kenya भी है. And this area has the best type of savanna landscape. In fact, in some books, the savanna climate is called as the Sudan type of climate. So if you look at Africa's map, Africa is something like this. Okay, this is Lake Victoria here. These are parts of Western Africa. What we are saying is the origin of human species probably from this part tha, and maybe also from this part. But most agree कि यहीं से हुआ होगा. This region has those countries. यहाँ पर Sudan है, Uganda, Rwanda. This is Kenya on this side. This is where the beginnings happened. Why? Because this area had one of the best developed savanna type of climate. अभी भी ऐसा ही है. This area has one of the best developed savanna type of climate.